Hello everyone. Today I want to share what I learned about myself during my internship and talk about the most important skills every project manager needs. I will give real examples from my work fixing inventory problem in our SAP systems. Let's get started. The first part, what I learned about myself. During this internship, I discovered three important things about myself. The first thing is that I'm good at solving messy problems. When our SAP system showed wrong inventory numbers, there was no easy answer. I have to look at the data, take two different teams, and try small fixes. At first, this was scary, but now I know I can handle confusing situations by taking small steps. The second one is listening is more important than talking. At the beginning, I thought IT and the warehouse teams just didn't want to work together, but when I really listened, I learned that the warehouse team had to tap everything tight. No wonder they were frustrated. Fixing this made me see how important it is to understand people's real problems. The third one is I can help people change. When we introduced the new tools, some employees didn't want to use that. By showing them step by step how it made their job easier, not harder, they slowly started using them. This taught me that changing takes time and patience. About the part two, keep project manager skills, I also want to share my feelings. From my experience, here are the three most important skills for project managers. The first one is getting everyone on the same page. Why it matters when IT and the warehouse teams didn't understand each other's problem took weeks to fix. I can show you the example. I made a simple chart showing who does what. This helped both teams see where problems were. After this, we fixed issues 30% faster. The second one is changing how you explain things. Why it matters? Different people need different information. I can show you the example. When I talk about system errors and fixes with manager, I showed how much money we could save. Both groups approved and changes because I spoke their language. The third one, staying calm when things go wrong. Why it matters? Our first fix didn't work and people wanted to give up. I can show you our example. I suggested we can try fixing one more smart at a time. When that worked, people felt helpful again. This shows me that breaking big problems into small pieces keeps teams moving forward. I think this kind of internship is very good for my work. Even I work in manufacturing industry, I also can feel very good experience and skills with my work. And during this internship, taught me that good project manager don't give don't just give orders. They listen, adapt, and help teams through thought changes. I am proud that I have learned to solve real problems, not just in textbooks cases. Most importantly, I now understand that the most best solution come from really understanding both the technology and the people using it. We cannot just show the examples. We always need to work together with our different departments, and then they will feel that we are in the same page, we have the same language, and during the meeting and during the work experience, they can trust me. They can believe that this kind of project will be better and better. And thank you for the first semester. I really appreciate that I learned a lot of from our course. Thank you for the listening. Hi. everyone. Bye.